If you want to unsubscribe from Gamma app or cancel your Gamma subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find your billing settings, check your current plan, and cancel your subscription safely in just a couple of minutes. This is a quick and simple tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Gamma so you can stop the next billing charge. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click the Settings button. This is where Gamma keeps your workspace and account options, including billing and subscription controls. After clicking Settings, take a moment to confirm your workspace name and your current plan at the top of the sidebar. This is important because it helps you verify that you're managing the correct account or workspace before making any changes. If you're on the free plan, Gamma will show free just beneath the workspace settings. In that case, you won't usually see a paid billing cancellation process because there's no active paid subscription to cancel. But if you do have a paid plan, the next step is to click on the billing tab. This is where Gamma stores all of the subscription and payment details for your account. Once you're in the billing section, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Gamma places the subscription cancellation option near the lower part of the billing screen, so keep scrolling until you see the Cancel Subscription button. When you find it, click Cancel Subscription and follow any on-screen confirmation prompts to complete the process. After that, your subscription should be cancelled according to Gamma's billing settings. If you don't see the option right away, double-check that you're in the correct workspace and that you're signed into the account that was used for the paid plan. Sometimes the cancellation button only appears for the active subscription owner or admin, and that's it. You've now learned how to unsubscribe from Gamma app by opening Settings, checking your plan, going to Billing, and selecting Cancel Subscription. If this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.